Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is an important consideration when planning to use AWS Mainframe Modernization service for workload modernization? Understanding the existing mainframe environment and dependencies. Neglecting to assess current workloads. Avoiding scalability evaluations. Overlooking potential cost savings. What is a key benefit of using AWS Mainframe Modernization service for mainframe workload transformation? Limiting scalability options. Improving operational efficiency. Increasing legacy technology dependencies. Avoiding modernization efforts. What are some best practices for application testing in AWS Mainframe Modernization projects? Assuming that legacy applications will seamlessly transition to the cloud. Skipping testing procedures to fast-track migration projects. Avoiding performance testing, security checks, and compliance verification. Performing thorough testing, creating test environments, and automating test scenarios. What is a potential advantage of using AWS Mainframe Modernization service for compliance requirements? Ensuring data protection and regulatory compliance. Avoiding compliance regulations. Increasing data breach risks. Neglecting data security measures. What is the role of AWS Mainframe Modernization service in terms of application modernization? It supports application modernization through automation and best practices. It restricts application modernization efforts. It only focuses on mainframe hardware upgrades. It requires manual coding for modernization. What is an important consideration when choosing AWS Mainframe Modernization service for workload transformation? High mainframe maintenance costs. Limited cloud integration capabilities. Avoidance of required software updates. Scalability and flexibility of cloud resources. Which AWS service is commonly used in conjunction with AWS Mainframe Modernization service for hosting modernized workloads? Amazon Redshift. Amazon RDS. Amazon S3. Amazon EC2. What impact does AWS Mainframe Modernization service have on IT infrastructure management for organizations? Outsourcing IT management duties, reducing internal oversight, and limiting access controls. Introducing manual IT processes, decreasing automation, and complicating deployments. Simplifying IT operations, reducing hardware complexity, and enhancing scalability. Increasing IT infrastructure costs, adding maintenance burdens, and limiting flexibility. What is a common challenge that AWS Mainframe Modernization service helps to address? Mainframe systems require less maintenance and updates. Modern mainframe systems are slower than legacy systems. Legacy mainframe systems lack agility and flexibility. Customers prefer to maintain on-premises mainframe systems. What is the significance of data governance in AWS mainframe modernization projects? To avoid data management processes and rely solely on cloud services. To maintain data quality, enforce compliance, and manage data effectively. To increase data complexity and reduce data visibility. To prioritize data quantity over data quality in cloud storage. What are some key benefits of using AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Increased agility, cost savings, and enhanced security. Limited scalability, data loss, and slower processing. Improved compliance, decreased reliability, and reduced flexibility. Decreased performance, higher costs, and reduced security. What is an advantage of leveraging AWS Mainframe Modernization Service for legacy workload migration challenges? Increased downtime during migration. Complex migration processes. Decreased migration costs. Simplified migration workflows. What impact does AWS Mainframe Modernization Service have on scalability for organizations? Enabling dynamic resource allocation and scalability. Increasing deployment times and limiting application scalability. Restricting growth opportunities and resource flexibility. Decreasing performance and hindering resource expansion. What are the key security considerations when migrating mainframe workloads to the cloud with AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Incident response plans, disaster recovery strategies, and data retention policies. Network protocols, server configurations, and storage options. Regular backups, hardware maintenance, and performance monitoring. Data encryption, access controls, and compliance certifications. What are some key considerations for organizations looking to modernize their mainframe workloads with AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Personnel training, IT department structure, and vendor relationships. Business goals, budgets, and timelines. Hardware specifications, software compatibility, and power consumption. Networking protocols, storage options, and server configurations. Which of the following is a benefit of using AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Increased mainframe hardware costs. Improved agility. Decreased security. Limited scalability. What is the role of AWS professional services in mainframe modernization projects? Offering discounts on AWS Mainframe Modernization Service. Managing software licenses for mainframe applications. Performing hardware repairs on mainframe systems. Providing expertise and guidance during the migration process. What is an important consideration when planning to use AWS Mainframe Modernization Service for legacy workload transformations? Avoiding legacy data backups. Limiting support for cloud services. Impact on operational processes. Neglecting mainframe software updates. What is a primary focus of AWS Mainframe Modernization Service in terms of workload management? Limiting security enhancements. Optimizing performance and efficiency. Decreasing workload scalability. Increasing manual processes. What is a possible drawback of not modernizing mainframe workloads with AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Decreased agility and innovation. Enhanced security measures. Increased technical debt. Simplified maintenance processes. What is a significant benefit of utilizing AWS Mainframe Modernization Service for mainframe workload modernization? Increased manual processes. Decreased workload flexibility. Enhanced operational efficiency. Limited disaster recovery capabilities. What is the technical approach used in AWS Mainframe Modernization Service? Creating new mainframe hardware. Developing mainframe-specific cloud services. Lift and shift, refactoring, or replatforming. Creating a parallel mainframe environment. What is a significant benefit of using AWS Mainframe Modernization Service for legacy workload modernization? Limited cloud service options. Increased operational efficiency. Decreased workload agility. Enhanced data security vulnerabilities. What are the benefits of leveraging machine learning technologies in AWS mainframe modernization projects? Decreasing data accuracy, adding manual processes, and reducing productivity. Ignoring machine learning capabilities and relying solely on legacy systems. Limiting data insights, hindering innovation, and increasing costs. Automating data analysis, enhancing decision-making, and improving operational efficiency. What is a key advantage of integrating AWS Mainframe Modernization Service into legacy workload architectures? Limited data redundancy. Operational efficiency enhancements. Decreased workload scalability. Increased maintenance costs. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.